Good afternoon, I'm Stephanie Nicole. Thanks for joining me. My next vlog entry for July 22nd, 2010. Today on the Afternoon Drive Show I talked a little bit about the connection between weather and migraines. Yes, there is a proven connection. The New York Times had a blog post on this morning, and in fact you can read it on my blog right here on this website, shinefm.com. But it talked about how if you live in an area where the weather changes a lot, you probably are going to find you have more headaches. The Chinook headache, we all know about that. But the big question is, what can you do about it? Because we don't control the weather, it looks as if there isn't much. Although you can manage your stressing factors or your triggers. Things like getting enough sleep, avoiding a lot of caffeine, making sure you're eating properly, not working out in crazy heat. I know it can be tempting to get out there and give her when it's so warm outside, but it might be something that you want to consider. Just kind of relax a little, especially if you're a kind of person who gets a lot of Chinook headaches. You can read more information over on the blog, as I mentioned, about this. And thanks again to the New York Times for posting such great info on weather and migraines, because it is something that we deal with here in Calgary every single day.